This is my dad's workshop. It is very well equipped for the types of projects he works on, but not so much for me. This is my workbench, and so is this, and this. Basically, I work on whatever surface is available and then evacuate to another surface when my dad needs the original one. Our actual workbench is located here, although realistically it's just an oversized shelf. I don't remember the last time this thing was actually not crowded with junk. However, the more I look at it, the more I realize that this is actually the perfect workplace for me. It has good lighting, the drill press is right next to it. I think this might be a decent space for the bandsaw, and I plan on buying a new scroll saw and putting it right here. New tabletop, tool racks, drawers, everything I need. This renovation project is going to be huge for me, but I'm really excited for it. I honestly was not expecting to get this much done today. This isn't finished yet at all. I still have a lot planned. I think I'll be adding a brand new plywood countertop, probably a new chair, and also I'll make wall mounts for a camera stand so I can adjust the camera as I need to. Now this might be a fire hazard, but we don't use this thing very often now that the summer is approaching, and if this does become a bigger concern, I'll just move the bandsaw somewhere else. Now, yes, this is not a great environment for these speakers, but we're planning to throw them away anyways. They aren't working very well, so might as well get some use out of them. I'll also need to clean all this up and all the drawers too. But as far as essentials go, a desktop PC with Netflix and a mini fridge should complete this project. Although let's be honest, that's probably never gonna happen. I'm still really happy with the end result though.